Hey yo! It's Chris O. G'day mate! What I'm doing here is we're laying 12 by 6s, 1200 by 600. Vertical is going to be a nice sloping shelf there for all the shampoos. Woo! Beautiful. It's a feature wall, and I'm going white around the other sides. Beautiful. Running vertical, of course. I'm in a shower. Up we go. Whooshka! What I'm doing here, everyone, is they're slightly a different size to my floor tile, so I'm getting it right here, and it'll be slightly out there, but no one will even notice because it's only like 5 tiles. That one will be going in there, and then I do my cut and same there. You can't do anything about it when you're supplied with a slightly different size from the factory, wall to floor, or the owners have supplied you. Beautiful feature tile. It's going to be this wall only, and the shelf, of course, that works out to exactly a full tile, so I'm not having to cut. I'm going to have black aluminium trim. Beautiful. Move that along a bit. Is that my cut? Or is that my cut? That's my cut. Good one. And up it goes. Oh, nearly lost it then. Whoop. Nice. I'll bring that up a tad. Next one. That's going to be nice, people. Nice feature wall. I've got the generator going because we've got no power. It's not been hooked up till Friday. I think I'll be out here by then. Today's Tuesday. I've got the generator running my radio. Got to have a radio. Always got to turn it off when I'm filming. They get a bit shitty. Copyright. Still, you get that? I've got suction cups in my van, but I never use them. Nice. Alright, I'll clip those up. I need to cut that one to suit. I'll come back to you shortly. Stay tuned with Chris O. We'll see you soon.